ಹೆಸರು ಅಪೂರ್ವ. ನಾನು ಟಾರಾಟೆಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಸ್ಲೆಟ್ ಫಿನಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Just a few years ago, I was working in a grocery store stacking shelves. I never imagined I would one day be polishing steel bracelets for some of the world's finest watches. When I first began, even telling one surface from another was difficult. It took patience, training, and many failed attempts. Today, I am trusted to polish every solid link with precision and care. Usually, this kind of work is seen as a man's expertise. But at Taratec, women are trained, empowered, and trusted to master it. We lead the polishing section here with skill, dedication, and pride. Each bracelet is made of more than 70 links. Every single link must be polished on all sides with perfect consistency. It's a difficult work, but also deeply rewarding. I feel proud when my bracelet passes quality checks and it meets world-class standards. And I feel even prouder that my skill supports my family and gives me confidence. Mastering this skill has given me more than just a career. It has given me respect, purpose, and the belief that if you give your best, you can transform not just metal, but your own life.